Pinot Gris, both of these wines are from our estate, which is a 15-acre property on the Willamette Valley Floor, just right across the street from Sokol Blosser in Dundee.
Gotcha.
All own-rooted. Pinot Gris, stainless steel fermentation. Left on lees a little bit, so you're going to get some kind of nuttiness on the palate, but very crisp, very acidic. It's going for that kind of Riesling style that I'm looking for. Pinot Noir, own-rooted as well. Mix of a couple different clones, Pomard, 777, 115, and 667. This was aged in 20% new oak. Moved here is this kind of forest floor, this mushroom characteristic that everyone was talking about, and happy to see that this is starting to blossom out like that too. So
yeah, it does. It's really, it's the first thing that hits your nose before you get the fruit. I feel like so. It's really.
Yeah, that's the Pomard heavy right there. So ultimately, this is just so fun, and feel so blessed to be able to do this. Never thought that I'd actually be able to start my own label. I work full-time making wine for somebody else.
Yeah.
And so this is definitely a side project, but it's been a blast doing this. And to be hosted by Vista Hills and the Uncommon Wine Festival, this is great. Sharing it with the people. I love selling wine, but I wish that I could open all these bottles with those that are going to be drinking my wines, and then we can talk about it thereafter. So
Excellent.
It's about the conversation.